Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best magnetic camera mounts that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Moho Magnetic Mevo Fence Mount. This unique mount is a dream for sports enthusiasts, especially those who want to capture baseball games from the fence line. Its standout feature is its foldable design, coupled with 4 high-strength, rubber-coated magnets that securely attach to metal posts or flat surfaces without causing damage. The dual 1/4-inch mount points allow for added flexibility, enabling you to attach additional accessories, such as a power bank or a pocket radar, making it a versatile choice for multi-device setups. In terms of design, the Moho mount is compact and functional, with a rubber-coated finish that protects surfaces from scratches. The adjustable arm offers excellent flexibility, ensuring your camera lens can align perfectly through fence links while minimizing vibration caused by impacts. However, it's worth noting that this mount is slightly heavier than others on the list, weighing in at 1.17 pounds. While its performance is excellent for sports and outdoor use, it may not be the best option for users looking for a lightweight, portable solution. The included safety tether is a thoughtful addition, ensuring your equipment stays secure. Overall, the Moho Magnetic Mevo Fence Mount is a reliable option for those who need stability and versatility for sports and action shots, though its niche focus might limit its appeal for other use cases. Coming in at number 4 is the U Magnetic Camera Mount. This heavy-duty mount stands out for its ultra-large 88mm diameter base, which provides an exceptional level of stability, making it ideal for action-packed scenarios. It boasts an impressive maximum weight capacity of 5 kilograms, 11 pounds, ensuring that even heavier cameras and devices stay firmly in place. The silicone-coated surface adds an extra layer of protection to prevent scratches on your mounting surface. The U mount is compatible with a wide range of devices, from GoPros and Insta360 cameras to DSLRs and video cameras, making it a versatile option for various shooting needs. The standard 1-inch ball head interface allows for seamless customization with additional accessories, enhancing its functionality. While its sturdy design is a plus for challenging environments, the larger base size might make it less portable compared to other options. This mount excels in reliability during adventurous activities or intense action shots. However, its heavier weight of 10.8 ounces and bulkier design might not appeal to users seeking a compact solution. Overall, the U Magnetic Camera Mount is an excellent choice for users who prioritize stability and durability over portability. At number 3, we've got the ulibermagnet 24-pound magnetic camera mount. This compact yet powerful mount is designed for users who need a strong hold in a small package. Its neodymium N42 magnet provides an impressive 24 pounds vertical magnetic pull force, making it suitable for securely attaching to steel surfaces. The rubber coating not only protects the mounting surface from scratches, but also increases grip, reducing the chances of slipping. The design is simple yet effective, with a mini ball head and a 1/4-inch 20 male thread stud that makes it compatible with a variety of cameras, action cameras, and even smartphones. The corrosion-resistant rubber coating ensures durability and allows the mount to perform well in outdoor environments. However, the lack of additional accessories or adapters might limit its usability for specific setups. With a lightweight design and versatile mounting options, the ulibermagnet mount is a great choice for users seeking a compact and reliable magnetic solution. While it's not as feature-rich as some other options on this list, its superior magnetic strength and durable build make it a solid contender for everyday use. At number 2 is the ulanzi Magnetic Camera Mount, a versatile option designed for action cameras and lightweight devices. Equipped with 6 powerful built-in magnets, this mount delivers excellent holding power, making it ideal for metal surfaces such as cars, railings, and refrigerators. It features a 360-degree rotation ball head, allowing for effortless angle adjustments, which is a significant advantage for vloggers and content creators. The ulanzi mount is built with high-quality ABS, aluminum alloy, and silicone rubber, ensuring durability without compromising portability. Weighing just 7.4 ounces, it's compact and travel-friendly. The anti-scratch silicone base adds an extra layer of protection, making it safe to use on painted surfaces. However, its maximum load capacity of 500 grams might not be sufficient for heavier cameras. This mount is perfect for on-the-go photographers and videographers who need a lightweight, reliable solution for quick setups. While it may not handle heavier devices, its excellent build quality, portability, and adaptability make it a standout choice for lightweight camera setups. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the uTebit 66mm magnetic camera mount. This comprehensive set includes a magnetic base, a 360-degree swivel ball head, a phone holder, a quarter hot shoe, and an action camera adapter, making it one of the most versatile options on the market. Its magnetic base features 6 powerful magnets with a vertical suction force of up to 20 kilograms, ensuring your equipment stays firmly in place. The uTebit mount is designed with universal compatibility in mind, making it suitable for cameras, action cameras, smartphones, and even LED lights. The aluminum alloy ball head is both lightweight and durable, capable of supporting devices up to 3.3 pounds. The modular design allows for multiple combinations, making it ideal for various shooting scenarios, from car vlogging to tabletop setups. What sets the uTebit mount apart is its value for money. With a thoughtful design, strong magnetic force, and a wide range of included accessories, it offers unparalleled versatility and reliability. Whether you're a professional photographer or a hobbyist, the uTebit magnetic camera mount is an excellent investment that delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.